it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another voiceover where I show you guys a couple of spreads that I've been making throughout the past few weeks. So all of these spreads are done using SammyLynnPlanning kits, and you will see those shown every single time before I start. Just as I mentioned in the social media Backplan with me, I am doing this voiceover outside. I like to hang out on my balcony, so if you hear noises, that's why people are outside. It's a beautiful day. So this is the week of July 20th through the 26th. So I'm starting off as I normally do with adding some washi to the top and bottom of the spread. Her kits are pretty self-explanatory when it comes to like laying out the washi, but sometimes I like to cut the thicker washi up and line it along the spine to give the days of the week a little bit more color. So that is what I'm doing right now. And then I add my bullets to the right side of the page to have for a checklist of to-dos and to plan and things like that. Sometimes I use up all of the little mini boxes and I have to improvise with markers. So that is what I'm doing right now. I'm using a yellow marker to just add a little box so that I can put the titles in, so there's some color behind it. You'll see that in a second. Because this is a back plan, I am adding in some stickers that I already know with items that are happening that, you know, have obviously already occurred. So I'm adding when I did my laundry and when I had a sick day and just random things from my reusable sticker book. The final thing that I'm going to do for this spread is to add the numbers. So I always keep my number stickers in the front pouch of this planner, and these are some number stickers from a Bless Your Heart Stickers Weeks kit. So I just use that to number the spread. I felt that that bottom portion was a little empty, so I decided to grab some of these cute little post-it note stickers that I had left over from a kit to fill in the space and add a little bit of color in the corner. Our next spread is going to be based off of Harry Potter's birthday. So I had this really awesome kit from SammyLynnPlanning that I've had in my stash for probably 3 years now. And I just decided that it was time to use it. It's Harry Potter themed. It's like back to Hogwarts themed, and I love it. And as you can see, I loved decorating this spread, and I of course had to have some comfort, so I have my coffee in the corner. You'll see me taking some sips of that throughout the video. Most of the time this is in the corner off camera, but I did want to show you guys that I had a very fun time getting back into my planning and just sitting down and actually filling the pages out and decorating. It was so therapeutic, and I'm very happy that I was able to really relax. With this spread, I also included some Harry Potter washi tape from Paper House Productions. I love this washi tape, but it's some of that washi that I just like forget that I have, and it is the Marauders map themed. So part of it says Messrs. Mooney, Wormtail, Padfoot, and Prongs. The other portion says Mischief Managed. So I really like this washi tape, and I forget that I have it, so I decided that I was going to use it for this spread. Now that I finished adding the bases, I'm going to add a couple of icons. So obviously I had to add that I went to go see Spider-Man Brand New Day because that was a great movie. So I'm just adding all of the little bits and pieces for icons and things before I finish up the spread for good. Our final spread is actually for this past week that just happened, which is the 3rd through the 9th of August. And I'm using this beach kit from SammyLynnPlanning. I love how this kit looks, and I'm so happy that I'm able to use it because I've had it in my stash. I'm using up all of my stash for my spreads this week, or this month, I guess. So I had a couple of quotes in just random sticker kits that I've had. I think this summer one is from Planet Darby maybe, or Growing Modestly. I can't remember which one is from who, but pretty sure those are the two shops that I got them from. Regardless, I knew that this would be my last chance to use these, so I decided to include them in this kit because I thought the colors of the summer sticker matched the beach theme. And then I just really liked this one that said beach kind of day. And just like that, the spread is done. I am so happy with how all three turned out. I think they're very beautiful, and I love SammyLynnPlanning's kits, and I'm so happy that I was able to use so many different kits in these past few weeks. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my playlist of different videos that I have for my Hobonichi Weeks planner. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys.